Over here we're actually coming up on the 100. Yeah, this is a nice wood. Hey my friend. Hello. Hi. You come out. Come right out. That's a superstar this. Look good now man.
Superstar. You video me?
Yeah, I'm actually recording. Sorry, I'm Fabian from Jamaica walk by. Dosa!
Walk by.
Yeah. What's your name again? Aga, right?
Yes.
Where are you heading?
Sovereign. I'm gonna grab some lunch with my friend.
Yeah, headache. Ah, my teacher, that's your word. Beautiful Poland girl in Jamaica. She said she migrated now to Jamaica 4 years ago. Watch out, see the G forward. Walk on the G. Talk to me, touch it. When she see what you like, man. I walk on. For him, see, are you in a taxi run this hour ago? Oh, so what not deal with?
Just a come for enjoy the weekend.
Just a come enjoy the weekend. So you say, a sovereign and I come buy and thing. So, she you see I like her?
I never miss it.
Who say? Bless up and respect massive. You don't know, big up every time, and thank you again for joining another episode on Jamaica Walk By. Look good now, man. Price social media know say half a tree with them massive, and trust me, it's all about the whole vibe. You understand? You don't know me, I go attempt something me really not think me can do, but me feel like me can do it in a one next look spot, look a section of my mind. I'm gonna go walk from half a tree, go straight to Papine. You understand? That is it. So we're gonna get some drone shots in there. You don't know. We're gonna walk. We're gonna talk. We're gonna see what the vibe is like on a day like this. You understand it? Bunch of things and excitement are going on in Jamaica right now. What we need to talk about. You know the thing go. You know the thing them come down. You understand? So it's all about a vibe in 2024. We're gonna walk from half a tree to Papine to show you exactly what Jamaica looks like on this route. You understand? So you don't know people are pass through half a tree always festive. Be things are going, you know, the taxi stand over there, so and basically, you know, so them put up them little stall right about now for people can sell and just a little space for them can just do them thing, you understand? So we're gonna attempt something like that, brawling today in the day. We don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna just talk, we're gonna just walk and I'm showing you exactly what the entire Up Road, All Up Road, Papine, Savrid, Barbican, all of them places we're gonna walk past there. So you know, now waste no time because it's a long walk and it's gonna be a long video. So if you watch so far and you not start like the video, do me a bigger start like right now. Me I wait.
I live in Africa, Africa, yes. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. I live in Africa, Africa, yeah. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. Yeah. See with me.
So before me even start, me I wait, I want to just start like the video right about now. If you know about that route, you fall from the place, I ask if you just drop a comment. Make you hear in the comment section what it's all about. You don't know where you used to live. If you normally visit the Barbican here at Upward Fridays, you don't know, I would just go walk through. So me I say, so all of the massive will like the video. You don't know, thank you so much, respect and manners, you understand. And big up to all of the supporters, them are always a support every day and every time I drop a video. So me I say, Zane, so big up and let's do this and let's take it away. You understand? Ready? Let's do it. Big up yourself, my friend. I'm not sure up on the camera, but she there. There's a take in while I tell her, say, she have to come out and center camera if she don't want to get catch money. You know, I give her Instagram a shout out. Oh, it's a coward, man. It's a shy. Beautiful ladies, not shy, man. You don't have Instagram, you do TikTok, nothing. Alright, so she's not a social media person. But big up yourself. I say, mommy, boss a little smile. See, you're walking at the camera, so the camera catch you, you know. Big up yourself, Zane. That is it. Alright, so we walk through. Blessings and love always. Yeah, my friend? Take it easy. We're outside massive. Look good. So it's all about half a tree, and we are going to walk the entire Hope Road going up. You understand? Yeah, that is it. So right now we're up on Hope Road. I come out of half a tree, and we're going to make a stroll. Tons of selling, I know them look a section here. See them, we have a look of selling and thing are going and bunch of things, isn't it? Yeah. So we're up on Hope Road. Clock Tower Plaza right now, we are past to be exact, you understand? Yeah. Let's do this, no joke, no doubt. No joke, no doubt, let's go. You don't know music I play, so we have to move fast from here, so. And thing, see? Yeah. It's a festive day, because it's a Friday. It's a Friday. You don't know Friday, lively in Jamaica. Very, very lively. So massive, I stick to the roots of how I normally do the videos and things, you know what I mean? What we just go through and show you what a place look like. As I say, far I go walk today, so I have to go just get my steps and just show as much as I can as possible as I go through nice and easy, you see me? No joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah. Hold on, let me teacher. Yeah, so you don't know. We're there on Hope Road I got through. Yeah. So school actually over a little bit earlier today because you don't know them and the politics, the whatever they want to call it, elections and bunch of things. You know, and to be honest with you, I'm not one of the persons that can tell about politics because God knows I have nothing to do with it if you tell you God truth. I just leave out then something there alone, especially out of my content then, you see me? Yeah, I don't talk about it, I don't got none of them something there when it comes down to Jamaica walk by. And my personal thing, I don't do it none at all. You see me? Yeah. So let's go. So I say, I walk go straight to Papine. You don't think we can do it? Alright, we're going to try. No joke, no doubt. Sun hot and thing, but we're going to work it. Might talk to a few people, I don't know who I'm going to see and all them things there. You see me? But depends on how a person look to. I know if I want to talk to them or not. But this video is all about showing you exactly what this stretch look like and everything what it really entails, you understand? So it's a vibe like that, I go for a back to the roots. Maybe not whole heap of talking or nothing, just for you to watch and look on the place as you walk through. Sing? Yeah. You see, you know, a while ago you're that good if you ain't sight, you know. You understand? But it's like you see what I got a video, yo. Come and give a shout out. Come and give a shout out, man. How the IG go? Or your Instagram go? You don't use it? Alright, big up yourself, my friend. Subscribe to my channel, Jamaica Walk By, yeah? Jamaica Walk By. YouTube, Instagram. Alright, bless up, my friend. Alright, that is it, same speed. Jamaica Walk By, it's a YouTube channel, you see me? Yeah, you do YouTube? Alright, big up yourself, teacher, cool. Hey, your song, Rasta man. Yeah, my teacher, step on the road. with the right of the JSP CA building. You don't know. Over there, so. And thing as you walk through. And Hope Road. So we just passed the Winchester Business Center down the road. So I have an exact idea of which part me there. You know? Let's do this. Just want to say big up to Eyebrown too. You understand, for the drone shots them, car. I try to get my drone sort out and thing. So Ian, big up yourself. One Eyebrown. You don't know, all your photos, drone shots, a bunch of things like that. You can link up Eyebrown on Instagram. You understand? So Eyebrown, big up yourself. You don't know. Hope Road massive. No, you know my teacher. Jamaica walk by me, I pre-record the whole of the stretcher. Yeah, imagine walk from half a tree to Papine. Yeah, me walk right now, go straight to Papine.
Where you to?
Jamaica walk by. Respect. Yeah, some teacher asks about the walk, you understand? And if my life, you know, honestly, I don't really know how they realize me have a camera in me, because this camera is so small though. But big up them youth there, you see me? Yeah. So for all the persons who never hear from me at the front, we walk from half a tree to Papine. You see me? Yeah. And we actually there on Hope Road right now. See? Good. So you know the Papine is actually new. So you have Papine and you have Krispy Kreme donut on the same building. Fresh. In a Jamaica right here, so right at Devon House. So you don't know center camera. We have Devon House. Yeah. Beautiful. So as you can see the sign here, Trafalgar Road. That way. I'm just wait for cross. So yeah, you have Krispy Kreme over there and you have Popeyes on the same building. So with the right of Waterloo and Hope Road, Trafalgar Road intersection across. Now we have to watch the car them. That's Devon House over there. See? Beautiful place where you can check out you and your family. Well, we not reach so far. yet, but hope I can do it. Half a tree to Papine, on foot. Natural content. I'm actually I walk, blessed me teacher. I walk on a side here where we can actually have the traffic facing or say forward my direction. That way I can better see what's going on, you know. And most of the time this is the side the people them walk come down on. You understand? So I want to get the video active. Let's go. Even my friend. Devon House. So that building is actually Master Devon House, you understand? Yeah. So all the massive when at the premiere you don't know, big up yourself. But then at the premiere I go and talk about the place you don't know. I know say some of my people them I go there. Like Tina Lee I go there, Naya I go there, Jason and Gina I go there. Julie in the kitchen probably be here. We know say Alexia I go there. You understand? Orient Freestyle I go there. Barry Walking Exercise I go there. You understand? So much people I go there. Malala I go there. You understand? Yeah. Only more I go there. Sam Richman I go there. Minor Jason I go there. I know so I go there. Even though actually there in the premiere section right now, just represent now man. Drop some fire signal in the premiere section so you don't know Devon House back road that saying. And call it Kingsway Road. That is it. And we have the Andrews Memorial Hospital over here, so. Andrews Memorial Hospital. Alright, so to me understand, massive, I could just take a look at 2 seconds and talk about that something. So me understand right now. This building where we are looking on center camera, see? This is actually the building of Usain Bolt. You understand? So this building is actually owned and is being made by Usain Bolt. You don't know, big up to Bolt. Still invest in our country. Jano Star. You after our country go on with you. Boy, I don't know how you still do all of them great things here, but you don't know, big up yourself same speed. You do a great thing to the country. You understand? I know so a whole heap of people are going to benefit when it comes on to this building right here. So, and trust me, I don't know what he's going to make over there. I don't know what he's going to have over there, but whatever it is, I know so some beneficial thing to the country. So you see him both, big up yourself, the fastest man in the world, the fastest man who ever lived, the fastest man ever run. You understand? Big up yourself. I had the opportunity to work with Usain Bolt before, and he's such a cool person, very humble guy. And I just want to say big up in all aspects. One night time I did there, I have to wonder if I really Bolt. I did I work with for nearly 2 days straight. You know, it was amazing. The man, I don't think Bolt act like he is who he is. Like, I don't think he even realized that he's one of the greatest man alive on planet Earth. So Usain Bolt, big up yourself, big accomplish and congratulations in everything you do. You see me, blessings upon blessings. See you way, my brother. Yeah. So you don't know. We're still up on Hope Road. Again, see there. Usain Bolt. Big up yourself, my teacher. Massive building. And I don't know what it is, but it's massive. This is a mega investment by Sir Honorable Usain Bolt. Don't play the chap. Alright, let's go. I know we have far way to go. And we not reach nowhere yet. So back to the roots, you understand? Because I don't know my type of video them from long time. Walk in the street and showcase the natural ambiances and livity in our country, you know? Yeah. Good evening. You have the Liberty Academy over there. To my left, center camera as we move along. So just as we talk about Usain Bolt, I wish building that. So Bolt actually make him building right below the road from that place here. SSL. Right beside Domino's. Right on Hope Road. I don't know the history about SSL. I don't even have to say no more. Go. So we currently reach at the police officers club on Hope Road. Best of my teacher. That's the police officers club over there. Look on the hills, man, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go as we preserve the culture. Ah, family. So as I say, big up to all them massive, them all my subscribers, yo. God know. Children don't know me feel more time. When me talk about my subscribers, them are special to me. You understand? Big up to my die-hearted subscriber, them way support the channel through thick and thin. And when me not post no content, you know still there. I watch all the old videos them. Blessings to you, man. Forever. Yeah. And to all my new subscribers them too. Much important to as well. You hear that? Big up to all of the subscribers that know about Jamaica walk by from the travel to America. You understand? We gained over 30,000 subscribers from that travel. So all of them new people there, blessed love and respect. Thank you for joining the Jamaica walk by family. You understand? Yeah. As we move through. So we are forward up on Arden Road. Good evening. So this is Arden Road. Right, that's so. Oh, my road. Arden Road. I will dip on Hope Road back again. So all the massive who didn't know Jamaica House, that's Jamaica House over there, center camera. Jamaica House. And Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center, the side and side. So Police Officers Club, Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center, and Jamaica House over there. Seen? Yeah. As we move through. That is it. So if I enjoy the video, I make so and say, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Let's go. And also, if you're a YouTuber and you want to share your link, you can ask one of the person who have the spanner beside them name to drop your YouTube link so persons can subscribe to your channel. We all can win together, see? So, yeah, you can do that. And all the persons who are YouTubers and you know you have the spanner side of your name, you can drop your YouTube channel link so persons can follow your YouTube channel and subscribe to as well. See? That is it. Remember also, there's a number in the description for my WhatsApp. So you can link me on WhatsApp for business inquiries, or there's an email in the description too as well, jamaicawalkby@gmail.com, and you can email me there. New construction again. Jenny! So, come dog. So, massive look on Jenny. You know, so me actually just talk about the infrastructure. This is Jamaica walk by. And that me want to know say bolt one down the road. Big up yourself, yeah, Jenny. That is it. Yeah. That's Jenny massive. Yeah, that's but I love her, you see, man. So Jenny is a big radio host on a radio station in Jamaica. She also big host for a television show as well called Dancing Dynamite. She's one of them Jamaican iconic figure, talk show host, personality, everything. Jenny is everything that's good about Jamaica, no joke thing. So that's Jenny. To all the massive who don't know about Jenny, make sure you check out Jenny. And you can follow her Instagram and see what she's all about. You see me? Respect for the interruption a while ago, Jenny. And let me tell you, the host that was at the Bob Marley celebration in Emancipation Park for that video that I post, that's Jenny. So if you never know, now you know. Yeah, we're moving along. So right now we just pass Maven Avenue. You see me? Maven Avenue and Hope Road, and we just move through. So why me I do this in case I don't put all the names on the screen, you can hear me say it. So you know exactly where we're there and exactly what's going on. See? Mad thing. Blessings. Woo, it real. But my foot. Good luck.
Everything I did before.
Yeah, that was nice by Jenny a while ago. Big up yourself. No persons might tell you about it, but big up yourself, Jenny. One love, always. This is one of the reasons why I tell you the truth, I couldn't bother live in a Kingston, you know. I can't deal too much traffic, brother. The traffic just unreal. So it's all about TGI Fridays right now. So with the right of the wall of TGI Friday, you know I'm going to lift the camera over the wall so you can see what go on. Alright, me hide you. We don't catch you. That's TGI Friday. Or Fridays, sorry. See? And today is a Friday, so you know so over this I go lit. Alright. So since we start with that TGI Friday, you know so right here so now is to my left, which is center camera right now, is East King's House Road. See me? That is it. East King's House Road. And the road there now is Lady Musgrave Road on my right. Hold on. Beg you across there. Yes, Mr. Officer, blessings. That is it. So all my Jamaica walk by, see me I go on a detailed tour so they can understand exactly what I go on. See? Look good. Don't know mommy officer work. Pull over the blue plate. I don't know it's a crown and thing. That is it. So the way I see him put out the documents, that means it's supposed to good. So you don't know blue plate crown. Them in a pass police not there. You understand? I always love to see police them on the road in the car. They keep the peace, no joke, no doubt, and thing. But right so, it's a police zone because look here, look on this now. Crazy thing always happen. Be a foolishness. So without them police here, it don't really work out. The officer here work still in the lady here. So seems like everything good. Alright, so you don't know blessings we are trying to cross the road and thing. It does work, you know. Just like you. I want to tell us make him man go on, man. Give him a blind. King go on, this is a carry pretty, this is a carry off the street. Yeah, me have video of us now so you can talk. You want to accuse this police for a long time, you go on. Make your co-worker and tell this is a man that's a carry, you can see it's a carry legit. We're so humble and calm, I clean you out this up. Probably see him pull over and cool. Not everything on this paper supposed to straight. No joke thing. You understand? So, yeah. So big up to the police officers them out here, same way, you understand? A Jamaica walk by, me just go and go through, we so cross. Yeah. So TGI Fridays are me I try cross and now my time. Oh no. What a change of us. Yeah, hold on. You're not like a youth. Soon cross. One thing. So him there go and read with them same way, but him supposed to good. If I see this a machine with this a blue plate here, you know him alright. Full time I know. As we go through. Oh, the light that moves up. And I go cross here way. Yeah. So my friend, I pay a laugh, she a laugh. That's how we have video for. But she don't mean nothing, you see me? Because she know me can video. Yeah, straight up. Wow, holy for silver. So what boy ya? Oi! Why? Man in the street you want food enough you see a kick you know. Same way, me killer. Go on, OSMO man. See you. So we're still on Hope Road. So now waste no time because we have far away to go. So massive, I'm gonna ask you to share the video. Share the video to your Facebook. A one click. Go write a share below the video and just press share. And you're gonna see a Facebook symbol come up. You just share it to Facebook and just say what you want to say about the video. You understand? Yeah. That's all I'm gonna ask you. Right at Glen Hope Avenue with the right now. And we are go up. Kingsgate apartment to my left over there. Look good. Yeah, and we are forward up to the Bob Marley Museum. See me I say? So all the massive who didn't see the Bob Marley Museum tour and Bob Marley birthday, you can go check that out. It's on the channel. See me I say? About the third video from this one or so. You can check that video out. Very, very amazing video on Bob Marley birthday over the Bob Marley Museum. Nice tour. Yeah, so I don't need to go over that side. I must say I have a full tour of over there, the Bob Marley Museum on Hope Road. Taxi are running about traffic, I beat them. The temperature is actually kind of cool, but the sun hot. I can't explain that. So we are forward in at the Barbican area now. Barbican area. So yeah, the vicinity here known as Barbican. To my left over there so is Marley Road. See, Marley Road, the road there. And the one to my right is actually Hillcrest. Hillcrest is actually where the Kingston market keep, like a few blocks down there. So Kingston market where you can get all different kinds of things to buy, authentic Jamaican stuff. Every single, what? I think it's Thursday night here. Don't quote me on that. Kingston market. Y'all can look it up. You see me? Just wait my turn, you know? Let's go. See sign the Hillcrest. Whole lot of new development you can see. Alright, we are going, not true? Yeah, man. Now go see all the persons them we actually go stay tuned and watch the entire video here. Cause I know this video you go long. Because we not reach a sovereign yet. And when I say we are go Papine. We not pass JC yet. We not reach a U-Tech. All of them places that we are go. Place for rent. The apartment complex is called as, I think it called what? OSMO. See the sign there? Yeah. What a walk. We are go through. Machine 2X. You know, man? Big up to my brother Extreme Art. Big up to my partner in crime. I don't know. Lexi. That is it. We're doing it. So massive, remember, if you want to link me, you can link me via the WhatsApp number in the description. You can send me a WhatsApp text, or you can email me at jamaicawalkby@gmail.com. Seen? Yeah. Or you can follow me on Instagram. Massive, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Jamaica Walkby and Jamaica Walkby TV on TikTok. Seen? Load up the gram. Follow me on Instagram. You don't know, we share person's content and everything solely for free on Instagram. No joke, no doubt. You have something you want to share on Instagram, just link me, so shot me a DM or send me a WhatsApp with the description of what you want to post and the content. See it there? Switch out with there now. Yeah, that is it. As we move through. Yeah. Yeah. So one nice, some Rastafari colors and thing over there. So I'm not sure where is that, but I'm not sure what's going on over there, but it look like a vibe. Some Rasta colors and some music I play and thing. Yeah. Moving. So we're still on Hope Road. Them call up here, so Hope Glaze Muse. Hope Glade. I think, yeah, Hope Glade. Oh, see what I'm saying? Hope Glade Muse. This place here. This place look abandoned. Such a nice place. It looks abandoned though. Why don't they just sell it? I know enough people that really want there, so right now. Mommy, me see now your nice little colors. That place there down at Hillcrest Avenue down there. Is that me see the Rasta colors and thing over there? You know, have no idea what place over there?
I'm not sure them have a Tuesday night market down there every Tuesday night.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Big up every time. Thanks to talk. 12 Tribe, where is that?
Down the road, sir.
Right down there. Oh, I wonder if I do it right on the corner there.
I used to do the color wall.
Yeah. What's that about? You can tell me a little bit of what is about?
Would you like to come and see for yourself?
Me actually I got stop. Probably can stop on my way back. So 12 Tribe, just give me like a minute. I'm Jamaica walk by. Tell me somewhere you can tell the world. Just like a minute. What 12 Tribe is about.
It's about love, unity, you know?
Yeah.
And getting to know yourself by reading the Bible a chapter a day.
Yeah.
And you come together on a Friday evening where if you don't feel like cooking at home, you can come and buy your food and eat and listen to some music and
Pure mind and just relax.
yeah.
That is it. Love the outfit to come out with a nice African type of dress, shoes and, you know, good look, turban on your head and thing which is nice. You're a Rasta?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a Rasta. I can't even see a sign of the hair because it wrap up so nice and neat. Blessings. Oh, see the back come, you can see it from the back. Alright, blessings and love here.
Alright,
Protection.
yeah.
Cool.
I hope you stop by later.
Alright, that is it. Yeah. So she says she's going to meeting. I don't know. The meeting is called 12 Tribe. 12 Tribe. So she actually invited me. I might just stop by to see what it's all about. See if I can get to the ital food and thing. 12 Tribe. So as she explained, you know? Yeah. We're going. We're still on Hope Road Massive. Good evening. Good evening. So that is Richin Avenue over there to my left. See the sign there too, Richin Avenue. And the one to my right, where's the sign for this? Yeah, Damed. So then call this road Damed Avenue. Just wait for the light to change so we can cross. So you have Richin Avenue over there and Damed Avenue over here. I don't know Hope Road center camera, which is Hope Road where I walk on. See? On the work of art over there. Red light, time to cross. Yeah, my teacher, respect. Nice artwork, the man thing. Yeah, lovely. So we are going through Massive. We still up on Hope Road and we are going to beat the foot them. We are going through. Big up my general 10th floor, you understand? 10th floor, big up yourself. Every time. And army American Massive. Yeah. Big up to Urban Spice Kitchen. Yeah, Urban Spice. I know say you got there too. Big up. Massive, she's a YouTuber and you can check her out. You see me? Urban Spice Kitchen. No joke, no doubt. See? Yeah, teacher. I'm going to cross because see if I can catch some more on the other side. I don't know sovereign on my left. You see me? See if I can cross. Yeah, so I'm going to do it fast. Pedestrian up there, so I can't wait on the pedestrian because the vehicle fall. Look like a way this. Alright. The home of Kuya. Y'all see me actually give Kuya them a little bit of interview at the Bob Marley Museum. Yeah, that was great. Yeah. So big up to Kuya. Original close brand from Jamaica, long time. I could go through. Who there with me same way? Let me see when you start, say present. I'll drop some fire signal, let me see all out there. So we have Sovereign up the road, so we are going. Yeah, so Hope Road massive. So over here we're actually coming up on the 100. Yeah, it's a nice way. Hey my friend. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. You come out. Come right out.
Start.
That's a superstar this. Look good now man.
Superstar. You video me?
Yeah, I'm actually recording. Sorry, I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. Dosa!
Walk by.
Yeah.
I know, you have the...
That is it!
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean?
I know.
Yeah, what's your name?
Aga.
Aga, as in the Aga. Like,
We don't know what you mean by
you look familiar though, because my brother shoot music videos and things.
Okay,
and
yeah, I do a lot of that.
You do music videos?
Yes.
Massive! Watch ya! Figured. No, sir!
Okay.
You're not afraid then take you away?
Huh?
You're not afraid then take you away?
No, they can't take it.
Aga, me know the name though. You're big on Instagram too. Because
I don't know where you could be, but I have couple followers.
me sure me see X the other day when him da deal with some video thing. Me sure me see dancer Aga. You dance?
Yeah.
You dance?
Yes, I do.
Which other music video you come in?
Couple Idonia, Sean Paul, Charlie
Oh
Glass.
yeah! I don't like one new video. You know that?
Yeah, bottles. Yeah, man.
Massive superstar link up na man. Figure that. Yeah. You know,
this way?
I'm actually walking the entire Sovereign, like walking from 3 mile, not from 3 mile, half a tree. I'm walking from half a tree and I'm trying to walk the entire Papine.
Oh, all the way up there?
Yeah,
That's far.
I am a walkathon.
Okay.
Figure
You
that.
walk so far and you video everything.
Yeah, you know, me not open my mind and I go video, you know. So massive, look at man. What's your name again? Aga, right?
Yes.
Where are you heading?
Sovereign, I'm gonna grab some lunch with my friend.
Yeah, headache. Ah, my teacher, that's your word. Yeah, make up yourself. Ah, how you been? Yeah, so, me can walk with the door.
Yeah.
Massive, we are going to detour a little bit. Cause superstar in our street, and she said she head to Sovereign. And me probably come back that side and come make her sit her, but me can't see her on the street and I come talk to her and see her. A lucky day today. So, as a matter of fact, we say lunch I go for?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, lunch there for me today. If
Oh,
my
really?
can follow you and give me audience a show.
Thank you so much. Of course, anytime. I like what you're doing, so no problem.
That is it. What? The video them. Jesus, Aga! Those are me can't pay for this. That is it, massive. Oh, you mean? So, massive. So, I walk one over 100 make you run out. Them clothes are I walk one over there, right?
Yeah. No, I was supposed to make my friend up a sovereign, so I'm just gonna go to sovereign.
Oh,
Yeah.
because I'm sure 100 restaurant that me say that come from.
Yeah,
Make you take it also.
Yeah, but we switched to sovereign.
Oh, I'm going to take a slide. So, massive, I'm going to say I can get Aga lunch today just for a show off our beauty pan Jamaica walk by.
Thank you so much.
Because the thing is, I don't normally run into persons who actually shoot videos, which I can walk.
Okay.
We shoot videos and actually know about the camera like that and say, yo, we're not afraid to go up on the camera and bunch of little things. So when we running at them, because it's a long walk, me all breathless already. But you know the thing
So
go.
you need a little stuff too.
Yeah.
Alright.
So,
So
massive.
how long you do this for?
You know, we're actually doing Jamaica walk by for like 3 years now.
Okay.
So massive, look good. We're there with a superstar. She shoot videos and stuff like that. So, before we go in a sovereign,
Yeah.
let me ask you a quick question. So,
Go ahead.
what's your Instagram?
DHQ_AGA. AGA.
DHQ_AGA.
Yes.
So massive, I'm going to put it on the screen because you don't know. Aga come right out. I want to say Aga come right. Watch out. Red. Watch out, red. Yes. That massive, we don't care pay Aga for this. So we're over by Sovereign. So what would you like for lunch?
Maybe some jerk chicken or something.
Jerk chicken or
Yeah.
something. I make it go.
Island grill.
Yeah. Or even that.
What you gonna eat?
I mean, not gonna eat because I walk the rest of the stretch.
Alright.
But because I'm running to somebody like you, and Jamaica walk by, I love to showcase the beautiful ladies.
Okay.
Yeah, so one of my thing that a lot of beautiful ladies will see you on the street, I go video on.
Okay.
Me not gonna make you pass. I go
Alright,
showcase it to your
alright.
work. With
Have
Jamaica.
to.
Oh, you know Jamaica.
Jamaica full of beautiful girls.
That
That's
is it.
another thing.
That is it. That is it. So, which country are you from?
Poland. Originally I'm from Poland, but I moved here 4 years ago.
Oh, so you actually moved to Jamaica?
Yes,
So you say, I love Jamaica.
of course. Love it bad.
Jamaica, come out.
My place. Jamaica, listen. I the nicest place on earth.
Yeah, massive Aga. It all makes sense, you know. You see her in a couple music video for real. You understand? Because I shoot music video, but sometimes we deal with so many dancers and choreographers and stuff. It's hard to.
It's a busy
Yeah.
industry.
Oh, massive, I can show them. So Sovereign, massive. Sovereign still beautiful, man. Yeah. Oh, see Island Grill over there. You wanna make a walk at this step. Oh, so one there. We can take that one there? Yeah, we can take that one. Yeah. So massive with the Sovereign. Crazy walk. So we are walk with Aga. Yeah, Aga. And remember, you can follow her on Instagram. You understand? At Aga. Aga? DHQ. DHQ
As in
Aga.
dancehall queen.
Dancer Queen.
Yes.
So,
European dancehall queen, Kingston Top 2018.
so you entered Dancer Queen and win
In Europe, yeah.
in Europe.
Yeah, so it's like there was one girl from each country, so I won the Polish one first, and then I was representing my country on like European one, and then I won the entire European.
And then you won the entire thing.
The European.
The European.
Yes, because this time there was no dancehall queen in Jamaica. It was 2018, so they never kept the competition. Now they keep it back again.
Yeah, so massive with there with a DHQ Dancer Queen from her head to her toe clean like a whistle. All them Aga. Let's see Dancer Queen walk again. Come here, we are going to.
Oh God.
I saw me stay. You play with me, I saw me stay. Big up to all my Jamaica walk by massive. So step. Afar me I walk going, but me have to detour because me have to show them people like you. Massive. Me always stand on this, you know. When you see people in the street, don't be afraid to talk. Don't be afraid to introduce yourself and be men and do it the right way. You might never know. You understand? Yes, Island Grill. So we're there. No. So over here, so you're pretty much a shop. Watch out, see the G forward. Walk on the G. Talk to me, touch it. When say, so you like, man? I want to go out for him. See, are you in a taxi road this hour ago? Oh, so what not deal with?
Just a come for enjoy the weekend.
Just a come for enjoy the weekend. So you say, a sovereign and come buy and thing. So, she you see I like her?
I never miss it.
How who say?
Yeah,
She around?
Yeah.
Oh. Are your brother?
Oh, no, some no so quick.
And
From another mother.
alright, big up yourself. Yes, Aga. No joke, no doubt. We used to love Island Grill and I'm kind of ease off of them now. Oh, lime. Oh, that's how it is. Rockstone. Are this Island Grill gone to now?
Sorry.
Are them a line of Island Grill gone to now?
Yeah.
So massive we're there in Island Grill.
What's your name?
Island Grill at Lime. Yeah. So it's DHQ Aga massive. So we actually there in a sovereign just go easy. So she had the star for the show today. Don't play with her. I like that you're so polite though. And that's how they show a lot of professionalism. You understand? So you do music videos, events. What about modeling?
I do modeling, yeah. I mostly do like a carnival costumes modeling. I work with Exodus.
Carnival costume.
Yes.
Oh, so Exodus is what, the carnival agency or something?
Yeah, it's a carnival band. So there are like 3 bands in Jamaica that organize carnival. So I work with Exodus, and they have like their own costumes. They have their own parties on the road. So
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Of course, once
You
April come, you need to see that. Like carnival in Jamaica, one of the maddest things.
Yeah, give
Because
them
they
a-
mix soca with dancehall.
Give them a shout out. Give them a
Yeah,
shout
big
out.
up Exodus.
What their name?
My
Exodus.
favorite Carnival company, yes.
That
Love
is
them.
it. Imagine a carnival body in a carnival suit. Hold them
So you have
aga.
to come out in April to Jamaica Carnival.
That is it. You see a word. So massive, we're still inside a sovereign. We just then at the line I try. She said she'd come get some lunch today at Island Grill. So you don't know the thing go. We're gonna make sure say lunch is on all of us today. From Jamaica walk by. You understand? Just a show a little bit of sovereign same speed. And we're there with Aga. You understand? It's always good for buck them up in the street. Don't you can't be afraid when you see beautiful ladies. Aga, come in, look at chat. I
Alright.
tell them say they can't be afraid when time they see beautiful ladies in the street. Them have to just know how to be bold. You understand? Because a while ago
Well,
we
but
look at you.
also not rude.
Not rude.
Okay, it depends how you're gonna talk to the lady.
So how you grade me approach a while ago when me see you?
No, because I kind of recognize it. I was like, I know this face from somewhere.
Oh,
so that's why I was like,
okay.
I would normally say hi and just walk.
And go.
I mean, I really like, talk to people when we don't know. But because I think like, I think I know you from somewhere. I was like, okay,
Oh, we go with the
let's
line,
check what he's up to.
Oh, so today was actually my lucky day then, because usually you'd have probably just see somebody like that and wine attacking, let's go.
You never know who is that.
Yeah,
We don't
feel
look
that.
no man, we don't look nothing, so we do business with people,
Yeah, fully understand. But it's good to actually get to talk to you today and think.
Like, it's good to talk to people.
Me I
I'm
hope say
happy
one
to
time
see
I hope a man a go run in your DM, you know. Them a go slide and broke neck and broke hand, you know, in your DM after them see this. So massive, she's Aga. Her Instagram is DHQ.
Aga,
Aga.
AGA, yeah.
That is it. So I'm gonna put it on the screen as we show you. Watch out. So shorts and sneakers. These are the beat for today.
Yeah.
A regular day beat.
Casual.
Oh, I say a casual beat this.
Yeah.
That is it.
I can come out to the party to see
Yeah.
full force.
So what the motive for tonight?
What's tonight? Friday. Usually if I go out, I try to work a lot. So because I also have like a regular job. So I don't come out as often. But Friday, I would say it's either EXO Fridays or
So-
Dancehall Fridays.
so you
The
love the
maddest
party.
dancehall party.
Which part of one they are there?
Dancehall Fridays?
Yeah.
I can't remember the place. It's like a plaza. Mystic Plaza.
Mystic Plaza. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Me normally go up
And the
to
maddest
me go
dancehall
uptown Monday
party
one
Friday.
day and my G in lock me out after me go in and come back. If I say too much people up on the live and me not talk to him. And we had like 2,000 something. Yeah, we're in the line. Any more cashier? No, them kind of full up, so we just have to wait here. So. Yeah. So what them do, they don't make we block the entrance. We end up having to stand up here so till Them clear, yeah. Cause me no want to go up and go say, unruly man. I chew in there at the line and wait so long, you know? Yeah. So are your favorite this in here? Island Grill?
Yeah, I like it. Like I like it healthy, and I think Island Grill is kind of doing a good job when it comes to like home tasting food.
Oh,
No
yes, sir.
fast food, no fried rice things. More like
You have Island Grill in Poland?
no, it's Jamaica.
Shut up.
I wish.
Alright. Yes. Aga, so massive. This reminds me of one Pinky. No joke to you. This reminds me of when we meet Pinky on Red Hills Road. I'm just telling them about a girl I met on Red Hills Road. Her name is Pinky.
Alright.
She was nice like you and she was very polite and thing, and we walk and talk. See her?
Next customer catching.
Come, come, miss. So lunch is on me today for Aga. Yeah, I must say, when I have to be polite, and I can't have a beautiful girl living in the street and sitting. Some morning cuss me out, say my name buy Pinky lunch, but that's how you go. But Aga massive. Beautiful Poland girl in Jamaica. She said she migrated now to Jamaica 4 years ago. She come out, enough shape and sitting. Great Aga. You know, me recognize her when she turn around, you know, and thing. And me I say it look like you see her in a music video, but I do in a video we just dropped. And she there night for true. If you look at the front part for real. So we're there with the superstar Island Grill. Finish?
Yeah.
Alright, what's the total? Alright, here. So you can't say
Thank you so much.
final lunch. Yeah man, you're most
I
welcome.
appreciate that.
Yeah man, it's nice actually when you have persons being polite and you can be nice
to be polite.
for my channel, so that gonna be nice to you, at least that we can do.
Thank you so
You know?
much.
We're all humans and it's always great when time we can be humans. You know what I mean? Yeah. No joke. Oh, here's the receipt.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright. Yeah man, it's good to be human more time because I know enough people must say look at me and you're talking and wonder some things, but on Jamaica walk by it's all natural, it's all real, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And people love it, right?
Yeah, millions of views person watching, yeah. Yeah, so a lot of persons see me, know some people go see and say, hey Aga, we saw you on Jamaica walk by. I think because I do it overseas too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I traveled to America for the first time the other day and it was crazy.
Oh, okay.
It was
so you
really
showcase
good.
actually different countries too.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, I see what we go think about the world. It's Jamaica walk by, but it call like a me a Jamaica walk by.
Yeah. So you can be Jamaican walking in a different country city.
Figure that.
That's a nice
Figure
concept
that.
too. That's a nice
Yeah. So that we do. That was great. I hope I can travel to Poland sometime in the future.
Hopefully.
It's a beautiful place. I've
It's
never.
a nice place. You just have to come in summer because
Oh.
winter is too cold. You couldn't walk like this.
So snow fall and thing.
Sorry.
Snow. Like snow. They have snow and thing over there.
Snow.
Snow, yeah.
Yeah. Snow. We
And
have
that I want to see.
in a winter.
Yeah, man, I want
But
to
it's
snow,
cold,
man.
so you have to prepare with a warm jacket
Aga.
and scarf.
I got me the
and
America
hat
over there
and-
and I freeze.
Oh, true. Okay.
So, I want to experience the real snow. I didn't get any snow.
Okay.
I want to see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. So you can come January, February, them time.
Alright.
December.
Alright. But you say it's beautiful
But it's
though.
pretty. Yeah, we have like we're very big on Christmas, so we have like full of the Christmas decorations with the
Mad.
snow. It looks really nice.
Mad thing.
Experience that.
Massive the year we get some info on Poland and things. So you travel a lot?
Yeah, I love to travel, so I try to. Even though like my home is here now and my work is here, but every now and then I fly to visit my family or like to some carnivals in different countries.
Yeah, that is it. Alright, no joke. That is one of the things I want to do too. I want to start traveling a lot too. you know, different culture, different everything. You know what I mean? But you travel so much, but you still reside in Jamaica. So Jamaica sweet?
Because trust me, like to me, Jamaica is the best country.
Mine, you know. Mine, I will have you out here, you know.
Nothing
Aga.
else, no.
Careful.
My place.
I feel.
No, I'm joking,
Watch his
but
swag.
I just love it.
Watch his swag. Yeah, shorts, nice body blows and thing. Basically, summer body type of dresses are summer go right through here.
Body, right through.
Right.
Because you have carnival here and there, then you have summer, then you have other stuff, so you have to keep it up.
That is it. You look like you got gym though.
I do.
You got gym. That is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just waiting. The line is actually over there. Behind the lady in green. Yeah man, you're welcome. It's fine. Yeah. So yeah man, gym is a much. So Mr. say you keep it up and thing. Yeah. And I'm married. Let me look.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Alright, that is it. That means a lucky guy. All I fans them can come and say lucky guy. We're there at the street. Yeah man. So we're just waiting on Aga to get her lunch and then probably just see where you're gonna eat inside here? You're gonna eat?
Yeah.
Alright. So can just walk her to our seat and then we'll be on our mirror way, heading the rest of the walk.
Continue your journey.
Yeah, we
all
actually
the way to Papine.
Papine. Straight to Papine we go.
You went to Blue Mountain already? Maybe you should do it next time.
Yeah, I want to do something at Blue Mountain. You have any suggestions?
Yeah, I would say the coffee plantation.
The what?
That's interesting. The coffee farm.
Coffee
farm.
farm.
So you know, as Jamaica have the best coffee in the world. Blue Mountain coffee. It's one of the best and one of the most expensive coffees
In the world.
in the world.
Jeez.
And Jamaicans don't even drink coffee like that.
I always want to do something like that, but I don't know. If I probably want to do like a Blue Mountain hike or something like that. If I can do something
Yeah.
like that where I can hike it
There is
and
hiking too, or you can visit Rasta Camp. This is also super
What's that?
interesting. Rasta Camp.
Rasta
Where the
camp.
Rastafari live, and they pray and they have their own like community. It's very interesting too.
I'm gonna have to check
They
that
can
out.
showcase their culture and everything.
Sometimes the Rasta them kind of hard to do, you know. One time we have to
True.
bring in camera and stuff to record them.
Them one church.
Some really big food, like you say. God no, brother. You know, but I say go for them thing. If I saw them run them thing, I just saw with us. Let them run it, you know. Yeah. So Island Grill massive. So inside that Sovereign you have a lot of food places. You have KFC, you have Tutti Frutti over there, you have Little Caesars, what's it there? Let me look. You have pastry passion. You have so many food places inside the Sovereign. Mad thing, no joking. So yeah, we just there with Aga. I think I should wait to get our food. Sometimes sometimes we just take a time out and talk to some people on the street. And you know, on Jamaica walk by, want to see beauties them in the street and I go record them and try to see if we can talk a little bit. She's polite enough to talk and yeah, she have a swag, she have a vibe. So she do music videos, so all the artists them what Jamaica walk by. If you want to get a link, you can get a link. If you want some new face or some, you know, somebody looking beautiful in your music video or model or something like that, you know. Yeah, so yeah, massive. But I did a tour of Sovereign before, so you can probably watch it on the channel as you go by. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Actually, I get a little chance to rest my foot, so you don't know the thing go anyways. How far me I walk from now, we have far left to go, so we are do it massive. No joke, no doubt. I see, I gotta get you here now. I have to show off the beauties them on the channel. Easy. Alright. Yeah, good today that say not have no company. Cause if you walk with the little somebody, you probably couldn't in no talking.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for my friend here, but
Yeah. You wanna
because she's late, so we can still have a little time.
Alright, where you wanna sit somewhere? Or
Yeah, we can sit over there.
so Sovereign massive. I'm not gonna really stay with you still, but you don't know the thing go.
I know, yeah.
I'm gonna make. Oh, we go over there, sir. Oh, that's all. Oh yeah, massive Sovereign. One more look, Aga. No joke. Yeah, she come out. Yo, there's so
So
many.
what is your your favorite place in Kingston?
Boy, God no. My favorite place in Kingston
Yeah.
is just somewhere with nature.
Sorry.
Me like go Devon House.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I would say probably the same.
Alright, can go here. So. Alright, massive. So, anything you want to say to your world, Aga? You've been so good today. I me feel so normal and calm. Just I go and make a raise with you as I eat. Where you get for lunch? You afraid to show them?
Chicken
Look, check out where I go on with the Island Grill.
rice and peas.
Oh,
And I got a free ad for Island Grill.
yeah, well, you
But
don't
they
know.
deserve it.
I saw you go sometime.
Their food tastes good.
Island Grill.
Yeah, man. So,
Mad thing. Pumpkin rice.
Festival, veggies, and
Yeah. Oh, yeah,
so
babe.
good, right?
That is it. So massive, you don't know. Aga, it was so nice talking to you.
Nice
One
to meet
love
you.
and big up.
yourself.
Yes, sir.
all
I'm
the
gonna make you
Jamaican
eat your food.
people.
Yeah, big up to a friend.
Huh?
Big up to your friends.
To all my friends, of course, from Poland and from Jamaica. Yeah, man, and big up Jamaica. Trust me, it's an amazing country, and I'm happy that you are showcasing it to the people in a way that, they might appreciate their own country and culture a little bit more.
That is it.
Yeah, because it's the best place, really and truly.
Massive, in a year that she talk about talk highly of Jamaica. That is it.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean? So, big up. I'm just gonna head back out and head on my way. So
Thank you so much for lunch one more time, and enjoy your trip to Papine.
that is it. Big up. Don't be a stranger. Make sure you subscribe to Jamaica Walk By
Of
also.
course, of
Alright, me
course.
tell a friend them too and you look up. I'm gonna put all your information on the
Alright.
screen so you can persons can follow you and check you out. You're so nice.
Thank you so
big
much.
up, man.
You
You
too.
know what I mean?
Big up yourself.
Yeah. Massive, look at more. Me not take up no more Aga time. Me missed the bye-bye. She said bye-bye. Alright, bless you. Alright, massive. So you know me head back out. Yeah. Now we have to keep the walk going. But we have to take that time out there. Can't pass her up on the street. Yeah, man. Yeah. Now take a step there. That is it. See the massive Aga. Yeah. Sovereign. So massive, I don't know, we're not top rolling, we just go and make the camera spin as we do it. It's a nice little 20-minute vibe with Aga and thing. Hello. Hello. Why the man always look at them dip on the hedge? Don't you? We not wrong them still, yeah. Same thing myself it there. Them always up on the hedge, but me no want they around when time right. Yeah. So yeah, massive. I just walk back at the back gate because you know don't want to miss out nothing. But that little vibe there with Aga a while ago did cool. You know, so from she turned around and said her face looks so familiar. But me that try to figure out where me know her from. So she shoot music videos and stuff like that. In the Kingston area and about the place. But she was mad nice though. I always tell people this, beautiful girls, nothing shy. Beautiful girls, you just always have a little vibe and be human, Me know so sometimes a man them can hard pound, and heavy one go. Then he now on the ears and bunch of sitting. But me understand. You understand? But I guess if the approach right, they don't know. Because we have to showcase them on the channel. And I couldn't make Aga pass. And me not showcase her. You understand? Oh, you mean? That was beautiful. Me know so I gotta appreciate that little walk, the little talk there, and showcase her beauty on the channel. You don't know. So we're back at it again outside. So we're Sovereign massive. Yeah. And we are head to Papine. Let's do this. Sovereign. So I'm back to the regular schedule of how I normally do the videos and things, you see me? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, massive. So that was Aga. Make sure you subscribe to Aga. Very, very cool girl. She's a model. She shoot videos too and things from see her. When she see how she walk and look, you could have tell say, I want superstar that. You understand? So I go over Sovereign and eat her lunch and thing as we continue the walk. Because you don't know a thing go. How far away I go, massive, so. I got big up yourself anywhere you're there. You remind me of Pinky. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. So Sovereign massive. You can see what Sovereign look like from the top. I have a tour of Sovereign still, and you can look on the channel and you can find that to see what the Sovereign here look like as we go through. Yes, Saga. Beautiful female. I know so I'm not gonna like her vibe. She was really cool. You understand? The great one time people out there recognize me and just make me have a vibe and be human. You understand? Be human, that is very important. Where humans can communicate. Some men make it so hard for the ladies them to just talk and communicate. But big up to the few who still have an open mind to actually roll a reason, roll a chat, and don't think that all men are perverts. Because it's, look on the approach, you know what I mean? Me have a camera on her, and me a walk and a talk, and be things, and yet she wasn't uncomfortable, or she never get scared, or none of that. Cause she realized maybe by the tone of my voice, the way how I pitch to her, or whatever the case might be, just work. Or maybe me just be natural. As she said, she normally don't walk. Because as she say, oh the man, oh that great Patrick! Massive one of my old co-worker, you know, from Crown. Big up yourself, Patrick. Good to see you still seeing a uniform, you're still there. Oh boy, I'm sorry for you. You're out there, Gideon. Big up yourself, Patrick. You don't know, your entire family hear that. Big up your man, them a Crown for me. Ah, Patrick. Yeah. Used to work with him a crowd, you know, Patrick. Very humble youth. I'm still there and I Gideon. I quit the job. I say, yo, God no. I want to do something else with my life, at least do something with my life. So, I did quit the job at Crown. Big up all Crown Massive. Crown Packaging Jamaica Limited. That was my home for about 10 years. You understand? Every day. Beg a look around my teacher. Yeah. So with the right up a Sovereign Massive. So over there, so to my right is actually what I wrote the name again? Monroe Road. Yeah. So we're there in the Ligani area. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So right now we're there All Hope Road. All Hope Road starts somewhere down the road. Yeah. All Hope Road. So we're there on All Hope Road up at Ligani. So this vicinity is called Ligani. See? Yeah. The Ligani Total Energies gas station. So you see what we're there. Still a far way to go as you walk. Yeah, Aga, big up yourself anywhere you're there. Well, you're there over Sovereign. I guess when that video you drop, you understand? Yeah. And where I got you. So I say we're there, Ligani, Old Hope Road with the pan here now. So we're off of Hope Road and the pan Old Hope Road. I got through. To my left, right, that's a Lane Plaza. Yeah, you have Juicy Patties over there, you have an Islo over there, loads of store. Loads of store and things. Lane Plaza. Alright, as we move along. So Ligani Plaza to my right. We try to see them crowd across the road. Ligani Plaza. I'm gonna just take a little walk, just a walk over there. Nothing too serious, just a small walk through that side and just come back out at the other side. Just a small one. No, my teacher. Another one, is it? Big up every time. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. That one at Jamaica walk by. We just walk through and just show them what go on. Yeah. And just raise, you see me? Come in. Alright, so you have, yeah, man, you can shout out your bridging company or someone or any little thing. At Jamaica walk that by, we just walk through, talk to the people. I walk from half a tree. Yeah. That is it. You want to believe say half a tree, I walk from, I go straight to Papine. That is it. Tell me about my teacher. Yeah, I mean. That is it.
Right now, hard work key to success. No matter where you see a man win, hard work win.
That is it. I have to start somewhere. I tell them every day, you know, when I start my, when I start that channel, yeah, no man in that watching, you know. Yeah. And we have millions of viewers now. I have to start. Big up every time. You hear that, bro? Cool. Yeah, man, say hard work. Hard work you have to put in. I key. So right, that's where they are, Ligani Plaza. You understand? Ligani Plaza. But I'll show you a little piece of what over here looks like as you walk through. Nothing too tough, but just show you a little bit. Just go walk straight down this, turn and come back around this, and I eat that. Yeah. Good afternoon. Yeah. So, general food. Uptown. So them places are uptown massive. Yeah. So you have general food. I say when I tour out the plaza, I'm just show you a little bit. So general food, Ligani. Yeah. Uptown side. And if you don't know, yeah, them places are the uptown communities. You understand? Real weird. Let's go through here, so. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah. So just a small synopsis of all the little things over here. Whole heap of stores still. A food store, clothes store. We have My Jamaica right here, so you understand. Yeah, up them side I kind of set up like Ochi and Montego Bay. You know? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nice. Far away I go, so we're not do nothing too tough on them place. I just want to see what I go on a little bit. Play a song, a Rasta man. Yeah. Outside again, all Hope Road. Scotia Bank over there, so right at Ligani. So now I have a big idea as to what we're there. Hey, she frightened them, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so this is Monroe Road. Come back out up this side. And you don't know over there. Let me go over this, okay? Over there, so it's gonna be lit later on. Crazy amount of jerk chicken and you name it. You understand? Them always say over here have the best jerk chicken on a Friday in a Jamaica. You understand? Yeah. No joke. Friend walk on, Jamaica walk by. You understand? I see nice beautiful flowers them and thing, but me is a YouTuber. So I like give people shout out and actually big up them Instagram when I see them and do them type of something. You understand? I don't know if you're afraid of camera, I can showcase. I say I can't pass them up on the road and no video them. You understand? I can't pass them too pretty. But I have to come look closer to find out if I live plant them, but so far I realize they're live and not artificial. You understand? The care where them I must get. If you look like this. Look good now, man. Look good. Yeah. Alright, so you can get your fiancé, your woman, your man some nice flowers based on what him like. You understand? Look good now, man. Yeah. Figure that. The page up on Instagram and thing? Alright. Are you ready? You're not alright, I can't talk to you then. So how long now you start do this?
12 years.
12 years. I could have tell the experience there in this car. Them sitting there look like they're artificial, brother. And I really look good. Look good. What you want like this? 3-5. See? Them a go out all cheap. Never even expect the price there. But yes. So massive, what we can find up on Instagram?
Try's Botanical Treasure, my Instagram.
That is it. So say it one more time, Try's
Botanical Treasure.
Try's Botanical Treasure.
Botanical.
Botanical Treasure.
Yeah.
That is it, man, on Instagram. So actually make sure you check him out. You can order there. Just give him shot him a message in DM and you can find out how you can get one of them on your foot. Or you can just forward right up here so in the Ligani area and you can get it. You understand? See, they look good now, man. At Jamaica walk by me, I drop the video Sunday. So you can see it. Sunday 3:15 to be exact. Yeah, see? Blessings and respect, my teacher. Yeah, so you don't know night time you have one of the craziest vibe when it comes down to jerk chicken and beer sitting right in a Ligani. Don't play with the chop. You understand? No joke, no doubt. See some of the jerk man them there. The jerk man all put out already. It's early. Where's the early bird? Catch you. Close and scrub. I'm so going on pot here. Look what I go on, man. You're out early already, you're out early if you catch a spot. You go out, so massive seat here. Yeah. Jerk chicken ready up already. Out here saying a Ligani massive. So all who don't know, what kind of soup you have in that pot? Cow skin. Yeah, that one named breed your woman. You understand? You can't get no youth. You drink some cow skin soup, brawling and breed your woman. You want an next youth, drink your cow skin soup and breed her. That is it. Oh, you mean right in a Ligani. One Jamaica walk by. You see it? How you mean? Where you forward from? Seaview. Yeah. You come far country and chicken. You want me? You not do chicken at Seaview?
Yeah, man. I go up there, so I stand pipe.
Standpipe too?
Yeah, out there I go.
Alright, big up yourself, my teacher. That is it. Cow skin soup, jerk chicken. Where's the north side? Yeah. That is it. Right on north side, him say. You understand? Right, so I come buy 2 chicken and sitting later enough. Now go around here. You understand? Yeah. Big up every time. Big up yourself here on Seaview massive. See? Yeah. Yo! That is it. We outside massive. As you walk through, no joke, no doubt. Let's go. Far away I go.
Good evening. Same here. Hi, sweetie.
Let's do this. Yeah, so we are moved through. So over there to my right is the embassy. The American embassy to my right, center camera right about now. You understand? Yeah. Me respect a place here. Make them flag go and wave American flag down at this. Cause when I go for my visa the other day and then grant me my visa so I could get to go visit America for the first time. Trust me, one of the best experiences I get in my life. So big up to America, big up to the embassy and all of that. You have to respect the American embassy because guess what? You spend time on visa there, they line over here so long. And the whole of no manageable and not get no trouble. Someone are going like you know respect over there. If you have a respect over there. I like my teacher. Them have to respect the American embassy. Amen. So the man say you have to respect over there for true. Because one time Jamaicans go over there, best never behave. You understand? So blessings and respect. You understand? Because if we have one of that down here, there's no way we can go foreign. You understand? No joke, we are roll through because you know the copywriting go. Outside me there, straight to Papine we are go. Sun all cool down here now. It's a good look. And we are move through. You understand? Yeah. It's a standpipe. Yeah. So up here's a standpipe, you understand? Yeah. Welcome to our community of standpipe. You understand? You know we not go walk through standpipe, you don't know. Thing go see him with you. Yeah. So all heap of teacher you hold all the vibe, but them man are probably afraid of the camera to blow us and skirt. No artist not the boat. The artist not the boat. Jamaica walk by. Can't even give a showcase to artists. Big up on yourselves, Zane. Respect, respect. It'll be a vibe if me book up two artists right now massive. But them DJ sing, showcase them to the world. Standpipe always have artists, but unfortunately none of them on the street as so today. You see me? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Usually you see them ends the artists debut, you know. No artists no debut today. Sad. Whole heap of youths are all a vibe. And say, could I stop and all a vibe too, but far me have to go. I really want to reach a Papine in another video. I say half a tree me I walk from, a crazy walk. So I want to accomplish it. Need to accomplish it. So let's go. And we have Eyebrown on the drone. So Eyebrown will give you the drone shots them. So if you want drone shots and thing, you can link up Eyebrown on Instagram and thing. So it's out there now. We're up on all Hope Road, same way. Which plaza this again? Yeah. So we just passed Standpipe. Winking. Lexi love a winking. Man. All over Road same way, no joke, no doubt. We're going through. Yeah, my teacher. Woo! Feel like the walk just start. Let's do this. What you mean? Yes, Elder. Manners. All Hope Road massive. So big up to everybody who watch the video right now in the premiere, who are talking at the premiere section. You understand? Me know say Tina Lee there. Me know say Naya there. Me know say Jason and Gina there. You understand? Orient freestyle good there. You understand? Maybe Jewel there. You understand? And all of the other massive them when I'm talking in the premier section with there. I know sound there. Yeah. Yeah. Malala. You understand? I know say you're there. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. Princess there too. Yeah. What we there now? Which avenue this? Oh, see there? I think this pronounced Ravina or Ravina. I think a Ravina Road. Zin? Yeah. What we have over there so now? We have Elite Diagnostics over there. MRI, ultrasound, all of them good stuff. Let's go. Woo! We're moving. Let's go, let's go. That's not locking up, hold on. Ah, there you go. So you don't know KFC over there, so. Hot KFC too, you know, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. No joke. Yeah, I can go and take the time out to big up some people. Ruth Smith, big up yourself. You always a comment on the video them. You don't know. Les, big up yourself. Robert, big up yourself too as well. No joke, no doubt. You see me? Speedy Sweet Food, big up yourself. What you mean? Devon Banks, big up yourself. These are just some of my commenters, them are going big on up. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Always a support. Big up the YouTube channel here to Jojo, yeah. Yeah, man, no joke. So we are pull up on JC, Jamaica College. Where like JC fans, the man them get an artificial turf. Where like Jamaica College massive day. Where like youths them go Jamaica College. Man then start training already. Champs, whole heap of preparation for champs. Clear. Yeah, man. See that? Right on the field, man, them are train already, I prepare for champs. Jamaica College. So big up all the massive them from Jamaica College. You don't know. Yeah, man, them have them man, they get artificial turf. If you run pan and sitting, it's a good look. The football field nice and pretty too. Well done. School seems like it over early. And the man them there are train. Them could have gone to their yard, but them there are train. Big up to all of them. And so I get a little peek through here so again. Yeah, see them up on the field. Track and field. As them a train. So where JC Massive them there? Let me soon say big up to all like JC Massive them. Who for alma mater this? School want paint though. Yeah, school really badly in need of some good paint. Yeah, that me think. But big them up. Alright. School have the stoplight. So let's do this. What? Dash it way now. You're up on camera now. So dash it way. Where's that? Prepare for champs? Alright, focus. Man. Big up yourself, my teacher. Jamaica walk by. You see it? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Say it again. Me not get it. Oh, shake one. Done. Big up yourself. Where you say they are champs? Alright, the man say they are champs. Man answer with confidence. So you mean? Big up all Jamaica College massive. The man them a train, the man them outside. I do it. Shake one. Done. On the register name, you hear that? I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. Rasta. Oh, you mean, where say you're Choto? Are you young tonight? Look like a coach. You're a coach? Yeah, man, so Coach Mills, Coach Brown? Coach Ford. Oh, Coach Ford. All right, so Miss Coach Ford. You understand? Man, them could have gone to them yard already and see man them up on the field and go and train same speed. You don't know? We expect big things at Jamaica College, right? Definitely. All right, definitely. Coach Ford said that, you know. So the registered name on the marking word. You understand? So this channel is Jamaica Walk By. I'm going to drop this video on Sunday. Sunday 3:15. So you can watch it. Me actually I walk from half a tree. And we go straight to Papine. You understand? We have a drone shots them at Jamaica Walk By. We do not train and be things. So I'm going to go and do it here. Rasta want me. Discuss. You can fling it. You better share myself, you know. Lord Jesus. Get a try. Get a try. You can see Rasta. Moment of silence make him focus. Alright. Alright, fire, no see a word. Coach Ford. Big up Coach Ford. Blessings are we seen. Bless up, bless up. Yeah man, so them actually involved in a lot of sports. That is one of the things with Jamaica College. A whole heap of sports them actually involved in. Yeah. So massive, we're still up on the go. We're still up on the go. We're there right at Jamaica College. I'm going easy. See me? Yeah. I don't know what the sports the name, you know. Yo, my teacher, what the sports the name? What name? Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. I want to say preparation for champs. I know. What? Oh, so what want to prepare for? Oh. Why me don't know the sports are still, but yeah man. Well, this look like some uptown sports though. See, yeah, you ball out something like that. You understand? Yeah. Alright, at Jamaica Walk By, me actually I walk from half a tree, I got Papine. I see I'm reach, so that means Papine up the road, me not so rich. That is it. Big up somebody real quick. Big up your two?
The True Blue fan them.
I want to say big up all of the True Blue fans them. I don't know Jamaica College straight. What's up, now take champs? Ah, now take it. Alright. Who are the runner right now with me then look out for? You know? Can't take up my name off my head. Let me see who I gonna take it.
Too many of them, that's why. Too many of them.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Look for all of them, man. Look for all of them.
Alright, sir. Man, thing, big up on yourself. You hear that?
Yeah, big up.
Respect, respect. Cool. Now drop the video your Sunday, 3:15. So man say big up all of the True Blue massive them right across the world. You understand? Yeah. You go and enjoy the drone shots them and thing. It's a great look. Jamaica College. JC. Yeah, as you're walking. So we're still up on Old Hope Road right now. As you can big up some more people, you don't know. So I'm gonna be guessing this one, some of the persons them in the premiere right here now. You don't know new event CT supposed to be in here. You don't know, big up yourself. As I always say Tina Lee watch every video and stay to the end. You don't know. Less incentive, big up yourself. Or less incentive, you don't know. Jason and Gina as always. DJ Swicked. Big up yourself, my bro, always. You see me? Them there are just some of my people, them are always there. You don't know. Believe and achieve. Big up yourself. If you're not there, I'm going to say present. Say present from now. You see me? That is it. Sir Mike. Sir Mike C, me know say you're there, you know. How you mean? Now go around you. I am Avon. Big up yourself. Me know say you're supposed to there too. You see me? Yes, sir. So we just go through as we are going video. Straight to Papine we are go. How you mean? No joke, no doubt. Me know say Uncle Barry there. Barry walking exercise. Marvin Sinclair, you're supposed to there too, you know. Make sure say you're there. Yeah. Speaking to me? Oh. Alright, security. Yeah, man, we just move through. So big up. All the massive. Yeah, man. Walking. DLC. I wonder if you're there. Mike Jones is supposed to be there too. Big up to Mike Jones, you see me? Yeah. Marcia. Blessings and respect. You don't know Rita. Rika. Yeah, Rika. R-I-K-A. Big up yourself. Should be here too. You know, these are some of the persons that are always there in the premiere section. They don't know Frederick Brown. Manners and respect if you're there, same speed. You don't know. How can I forget Ozzy Video Tours? Big up my general. You're supposed to there too. Bobby B. Big up yourself. You don't know. Yeah, man. Let's go. Barry Gaynor, big up yourself. Them are some massive, them always in the premiere section I go and talk, and you don't know, keep the chat going and keep the channel growing by sharing, commenting and stuff like that. Big on up anyone there. Travis Johnson, big up yourself too, you see me? Philip Vlogs, MD. Big up yourself, no joke, we're there, we're outside. Alright, look at what we're there now. So here says Hope Boulevard. Right at Oak Boulevard. See how the sign there? Oak Boulevard. Yeah. On Old Oak Road. So like a cross here now. We still are going. We still are moving. Yeah. Good amount of change to go in a massive and we still a walk. It's a vibe. Jeffrey Fowler, big up yourself. Always there too. You see me? Keith Shelton. Big up yourself, no joke. As we go through. So massive, if you're just joining, we've been walking from halfway tree and we're heading all the way to Papine. So we are currently on Old Hope Road. We just not too long past JC, Jamaica College, True Blue. See? And we are going to Urban Spice Kitchen. How you mean? Big up yourself. Pauline Wright. Big up yourself. You see me? Norris Green. Big up. Jaja Son. I don't know if you don't hear the name. You might not hear it yet. So as I go through, you don't know. I try to look what go on. And go now here, go now big up. You understand? Some of the name shaking about without the Allen. Fabian Williams. I don't know, my name Fabian too, so big up yourself, Fabian Williams. No joke thing. Great Orient freestyle. Don't know, say I like the whole America right now when it comes onto the dancehall scene. What I mean? Cooking adventures and things. Big up Orient Freestyle, massive. You can subscribe to him channel. You see me? Yeah, man. Good vibes, K. Big up yourself, K. Good vibes, K. Blessings. Brandon Clayton, big up yourself. We just a walk through massive. So, I may say, it's all about walking from halfway tree to Papine. I have to big up that person here too. Andrew Davis. You always support the channel. You always there in our premiere section. And them things there, so big up yourself, you hear that? Pauline Wright too. You see me? Yeah. So massive Hope Gardens. See me? So Hope Gardens to my left over here. And thing them start drive that direction and go round and thing. You see me? So Hope Gardens. And we're on Hope Road. So that road over there is Garden Boulevard. See? In case you didn't know. gonna cross a little bit. Yeah, take out a little bit on the side there. Alright. So we can get some wider view of the place. So we're still on Old Hope Road. I walk through uptown. Yeah, exercise is good, you know. I know many people have never walked from Alpha Tree to Papine. I know many have, but also many have not did it. I can see Papine from where I am. Foot them feel like them gash a fire, you know. Can feel the muscles them a turn up. Boy, Lexi the right. To them I feel like some would wear the comfortable shoes for the long road. Yeah. But because I don't wear shoes for so long, shoes start lift up here now to blow. Watch out. Look for my shoes. My shoes are lift up. Can't deal with the pressure. Two of them. Long time I don't wear the shoes are still there, but it's comfortable for them long road. Yeah. You understand? Watch out. Shoes are lift up, the shoes can't manage it. I whole heap of walk still. Watch it. But when they left out this morning, Lexi say, yo, you better walk with your next shoes, you know. Yeah, better make sure you walk with the other shoes, the Air Max. Big up to one of my subscribers who sponsor the shoes when they are foreign too, you understand? Yeah, my general, anyway, you're there. So Lexi, you were right. The shoes I go left me a road to blouse and skirt. But me have the other shoes in the car. So even if me have to barefooted on a taxi until me reach a vehicle, because the vehicle in a half a tree, me still good, not true? How you mean? Massive, we can't make everything look like everything is alright and everything is okay all the time, because no matter how much you're alright in life, everybody has some little glitches, some little downfall, and bunch of sin. So I can show you, say, without long walk you see shoes there lift up. But nothing wrong with that. I all the way I walk together and sit, so it's a vibe said speed. I don't watch that. That are just a shoes that can get some crazy glue or some patex and it's good to go again. What you mean? I may have more shoes, so it's a good vibe. So when that one I left me, we just put it in my bag and we head out until we can get the next shoes out of the vehicle and we're good to go again. Is it? Blessed, blessed, even. Please just get overly silent here, man. Jadua. Who said the University of Technology? UTech. Almost reach a UTech entrance. Yeah. It's such a nice view of the place, no joke. Such a nice view as the sun go down. Good afternoon. See. University of Technology, UTech. Look like one little match a go on still. Alright, now I go dry in for a closer little look, you see me? So reach up Papine. See if I can get a better look. Probably an interfall match. It look like an interfall match. Get up, my soldier. Look like an interfall match. They have them audience and thing, you know. University of Technology, UTech. Big school, college, university. Hey, you see up on the hillside there, you know. Some of you want your house just drop on the hillside, you know. Right up on the top there, so. Yeah, so massive, we almost reach Papine. And we did it on foot, all of us together. Woo! Easy. University of Technology. Who for alma mater this? Yeah. University of Technology, UTech. Yeah. Can view the drone shots of UTech. Get a few. So you can see what going on over there. Probably do one tour one at a time. You understand? UTech. Look on the hills, man. Nice. Massive, you not see this? Good evening, my friend. You have a minute you can spare? Can I ask if you subscribe to my Jamaica Walk By? You know, me catch up on it though. You can't get to Instagram. Showcase you. So she says she'll go subscribe. Not many persons me get a chance to talk to. Most people just a walk through fast. But nothing wrong with that. So I'm sure, yeah. Yeah. Legally massive, we did it. We did it. Ah, what a relief. Right in a Ligani town. Yeah. So with that, you're more Ligani a while ago. I'm sure it's a Ligani, I say Papine. Yeah, no don't quote me on that. Papine with there, yeah? See there, we're there in a Papine. I actually have a tour of Papine already. I'm gonna walk out the place here. It's nice. So it's great to accomplish this walk. Walking from Half Tree to Papine in a 2024 and thing survived. We did it. All of the massive them will walk with me. It has been great. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thanks to everybody who walk with me as we go through inner Papine. Inner Papine.
Oi! You can me buy some.
Yeah. Papine Square. So massive, I don't know, big up to everybody who there, you understand? It's been great. Yeah. I mean, what a vibe in a Papine on a Friday. Big tree. Watch a view the massive, whoa. Damn. Right, a Papine. Right, a Papine. And everyone enjoy.
Hello, my friend.
No, farmer. No, you know me know where it is. It's in my teacher.
What is your teacher?
Oh yes, Papine. You have honey? Oh, there's roots. Oh, there's roots. Honey me I check for, you see me? Yeah, big up yourself here. Cool. Eh? No man, I Jamaica walk by, I walk through, man. Yeah man, I only more honey for real. Yeah, but me think I honey. Me never come over here for any honey, you know? Oh, done. Alright then, big up yourself, yeah? Yeah man, I honey me want. Alright. Yeah. Honey me want. Big I run through my teacher. Yeah, so massive, there you have it. We did it. Papine Town Square. I understand, I go across here, so. Alright, so I'm close it right there, so. You see me? So you're massive, look good. Papine with it. So big up, much love to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. I mean, know it's a long video, a long walk, but we do it together, you understand? Much love, much respect, and that is it. So we are there with the tour. So we are there with the walk, them, you understand? Big up to Aga. Yeah, she was really polite today. We could have walk and talk and all the reason and be human, you understand? So to all the massive them, if you don't see me come up to the nice street, I don't know what happened. We have to go walk and talk, you know, and all a vibe. So more people so know from Jamaica what's happening. So soon as they see me, don't be shy. And Ray just know what time is it. Say, yo, a talking time, I will go just all a reason as we go through, you see me? Yeah. So we walk from Tree to Papine. Crazy walk that. You understand? Blessings and respect to everybody who watch the video. I say it again and I keep on saying it. Much love and respect. I'm going to head back down to Tree, you know. I'm not going to walk though. I try to hold a cab and head out to Tree. Seen? Manners and respect. And it has been a great walk. I'm going to look at cab right about now. Seen? That is it. Blessings and thanks again. Alright? Yeah, hope me not left out nothing, but yeah, me not think me left out nothing. So that is it. Mad thing.
Yeah. You can't cry, so come man, come down.
Ooh. song, I see Jaja's face. Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jaja's place. But there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. But I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. But I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Looking around, I see a kind face. And only used to be cyborg is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it. It's a damn disgrace. So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Oh, shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Angola awaits us, yes. Nigeria awaits us, yes. Ethiopia awaits us, yeah. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yeah. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah.